Well, back in the garage, and I've got a Transit starter motor here, and it's an half a newer Transit, not the really old ones. And it's the bloke said, my friend said it was using a lot of power, draining the, well, there's the model number, look. Let's get a cloth. Yeah, so we'll try spinning it over and see what happens. So when testing the start motor, you want to put the main positive onto there, and this is the switching on your ignition switch that'll energise your starter motor. So what this does is this sends power to the coil, to the pulling coil, which activates the solenoid and brings the drive into the flywheel. And then once the pulling coils, once the contacts have been pulled in, then the pulling coil deactivates, and then the holding coil goes on, so the coil doesn't burn out. And then you've got contact across here, so power goes, main power comes in, and then it goes into your motor from there. Right, so put that on there, and then best way, get a screwdriver, and then touch it on here first, and go. Oh. Move in a bit. Oh, it sounds like the bearings are knackered, doesn't it? Oh yeah. That might be all that's up with it. So I'm not going to even take the solenoid off at the minute. I'm just going to take the motor off. 13mm. Normally a 13mm these are. And chuck this socket on the floor. No washer. These two screws hold the brush plate down. Oh god, small screwdriver. I think these are 7mm, but I can only find a 5/16, and it seems to fit. Oh, I was saying that. Oh god, that bolt's twisting. Oh sugar. Oh, that's not good. It's going to snap. Try the other one. Oh no, I just... Oh, perhaps it is 8mm then. But I'm still not happy with this bolt. It's still... I should put some WD-40 on it really, shouldn't I? But I can't get to it. Come on, don't snap. Oh. Must be some Loctite on there or something. Oh, there you go. Snappy, snappy. Oh, that's the end of that one then, isn't it? Oh dear. Try this bolt. Fucking hell, what are they doing to them? They don't want to fix these, do they? This one's the same again, look. 2 snap bolts. Oh, bloody cats. I can hear the cats meowing. I don't think we're going to be able to repair this now, so let's just have a look inside. Yeah, bearing's knackered. Well, the bearing, look, it's not very good. I'll show you on the shaft. It's wobbly, you can't really see it there. I'll do a close. Yeah, it looks a bit like it's gone that side, doesn't it? So pull the brush box off. It looks quite good. Yeah, quite a lot of brushes on there. Can you see that? Let's do it. Yeah, look, there's a little bit on there. Oh yeah, it's quite a lot. Yeah, they're good brush box that is. So I pity them bloody bolts are broken, so you know, don't make my mistake. Should have heated them up in future on this model. Looks like someone's used loads of Loctite on the build. So, oh dear, sorry about that. Now the field coil, these magnets should have come out. Prise in. Better screwdriver. Where's the little screwdriver? There we go. Oh dear. You don't want to be hitting this with a hammer because it's got magnets inside it. Tell you what we'll do, we'll pull the armature out. Oh, look at that! That's why it's not working, look. Can you see that? The bearing is stuck on the bloody... There's the ball bearing, look. That stops the end float. And then you've got this, and it looks like... Bloody hell, I wish I'd saved them bolts because this would have been alright. Jeepers. You smell it, it smells alright. Yeah, so we'll try and get the body off like this. I mean, luckily these are only about 50 quid on eBay. You can get this off, you? Come on off. Bloody hell. Yeah, be careful with that, it's delicate. And all the gears drop out, look. And that's where, is that still in focus? That's where that bearing is supposed to be. So we'll try that in there, look, and we'll see how wobbly it is. Look at that. That's terrible. Can you see that planetary getting moved around? Let's take that rubber bit out of the way, look. And that's how, when I turn the pinion down here, look. So your starter motor's in there, and when it spins round, it turns that round, and that turns your shaft round. That's your gearbox. So you get your smaller starter motors. Rather than having a massive armature, you have a gearbox and a small armature running at high speed like your motorbikes went. So it is scrap really, isn't it? Oh dear. Just to show you the back bearing as well, how knackered that was. Yeah, look at that lot. It's got movement that way. No, not so much that way, but loads that way. Yeah, well, since the bolts that are broken off are right inside there. No chance of getting them out. I mean, look at that, broke off right at, yeah, that's strange. Must have a long bolt on them, wasn't there? Yeah, anyway, no chance of getting that out. So that's the end of this video then. Thanks for watching. Sorry I've not done a very good one.